Jai Shri Ram, this is Monisha Khatwani and you can catch me on www.rajshri.com, and I'm going to be telling you all about Diwali and the significance of Diwali. Diwali is probably the most important Hindu festival in the whole year, and it is the festival of lights, and it is the most joyous and prosperous festival celebrated in the whole year. Now Diwali essentially marks the homecoming of Lord Ram after his 14-year exile in the forest and his victory over Lord Ravana. When he was welcomed back in Ayodhya, that is his home capital, everybody welcomed him with a festival of lights. That is, a lot of people lit rows and rows, that is Awali, of diyas, that is of lights. Thus the name Diwali, that is Deepavali or Diwali, the name came about as this. And many people go on celebrating this tradition and celebrate people coming home and celebrate the darkness getting out and the light and the happiness and the joy is coming back into your life. That is why every year Diwali is celebrated, and it is the biggest Hindu festival of all times. Now the most important prayers done during Diwali is the Lakshmi Pujan, that is the worship of Mother Lakshmi. She is the goddess of wealth and prosperity, and Diwali or Deepavali is connected with wealth, prosperity, joy and happiness. Now there are two significance connected with this. It is believed that Lakshmi Ma, that is goddess Lakshmi, emerged on the day of Diwali, and that is why her puja is very, very important. There are two legends according to this. The first one being that she emerged from Krishnasagara during the great Samundar Manthan, and she is very much present in that form. That is why people pray to her and pray for prosperity and wealth on Diwali. The second legend is to do with the killing of the king demon Bali. It is believed that Lord Vishnu took a manifestation of Vamana and killed the demon Bali, and it is also believed that after killing Bali he went back to his abode, that is the Vaikunth, and over there he was completely at bliss. Thus Lakshmi, being Vishnu's wife, is also present with him, and that's why it is very much celebrated, her puja on this day. And it is also said that you get the benefit of Vishnu and of Lakshmi on this day, that is wealth, peace, prosperity and goodwill. So essentially on Diwali there are lots of significance, the one being Lakshmi Pujan, and many people light lamps outside their house and inside their house to remove all darkness and to accept happiness and bright light into their life, and to also bring light and prosperity in their life. Apart from which, people also do, like I said, Lakshmi Pujan, and many people light up streets and lamps and lots of places around their house, and it is said for 3 days you should not have any sort of darkness in your house. For 3 days your home and your environment should be totally and completely lit up. Wish you all a very, very prosperous Diwali, and saying any sort of Lakshmi prayer, taking care of Lakshmi Ma, reading the Ramayana or doing Lord Ram Puja is very, very auspicious on this great day. Apart from Lakshmi Puja and Ram Puja, Ganesh's Puja is also performed, and it is believed he is the Vignaharta, that is the remover of all obstacles, and he is also very auspicious for new beginnings. Thus, Ganesh Puja, Lakshmi Puja and Ram Puja is definitely performed on this great day of Diwali. Wish you all a very, very prosperous Diwali and a happy new year, because according to the Hindu tradition, this is considered as our new year. And in case of any other queries, please do email me at monisha@rajshri.com. Jai Shri Ram.